this is the only swing trading video you're going to ever watch before you become a successful swing trader. Guys, let's go on to the charts now. We are on the AUD card chart right here. I always use different kind of currency pairs so that you guys can be able to follow along. Not only just one currency pair, you can use this on any currency pair, any time frame, guys. So swing trading is the art of holding trades for more than 1 day. You can hold your trades for at least maybe 3 days to even weeks or even months sometimes if you want to transition into position trading. But swing trading, you hold your trades typically for maybe a few days, like 2 weeks, okay, like 3 to 4 days, to even weeks, like 2 to 3 weeks, to even a month. So that is swing trading. It is a more relaxed way of trading than scalping and day trading. I know most of the people, beginners and also some advanced traders, like scalping because of the adrenaline rush they get and also the quick profits that they get within the market. But swing trading, nevertheless, makes you more relaxed in the trading space and also gives you a profit that accumulates slowly by slowly, but gives you the same, if not a better profit range than swing scalping and day trading. So swing trading, why I emphasize on swing trading and why I encourage most of the traders, the new traders, to go for swing trading is because swing trading allows you to see the market movements much better than you scalping on lower time frames. Okay, swing trading allows you to see the trends of the market changing more clearly than when you go onto the market and start to scalp. Okay, so on the charts here, we are on the 1 hour chart. But when you're swing trading, I want to show you the methodology that I use to swing trade. And after this video, guys, I know that you are going to learn swing trading better. Okay, I'm going to show you step by step, so be able to follow the video. If you don't have time to watch, save the video, then you can watch it later on, but follow the steps step by step. Don't skip through the video, because if you skip through the video, you're going to miss essential parts of the video that you really need to implement to do swing trading correctly. So the first thing you do, or first thing I always do when I go onto my charts to swing trade, is I want to mark my levels. Okay, so for swing trading, you're making entries or mostly on the 1 hour chart. So I go to a higher time frame, like the monthly chart. I actually always start from the monthly chart because that's the higher time frame. I start from the monthly chart. I'll show you guys what this is and how to do it. Okay, so on the monthly chart, you can see generally, if you zoom this out, okay, if you zoom this out, we can see that AUD card has been ranging since it was introduced in the forex market, ranging up and down in a very, very big range. Okay, this is the big range where it has been ranging from. Okay, like here, it's in between this range, right? But within this range on a monthly chart, there are trends within this range. Okay, so those are the trends you want to identify. So what do you do? What I always do is I look for my entries I look for my target zones around the monthly chart by looking at the price action. Okay, so what is the price action right now? Price action right now is showing that the last month closed bearish and this month has just opened up. I'm recording this on the 1st of August. So the last month closed bearish and this month, the first day, is bearish. So what I'm looking at is how is the market structure forming currently. So currently we've had 1, 2, 3 bullish months. Last month was a bearish month. Can we expect a bearish month? That is for us to wait to see. So what I do, look for my areas where I can draw my levels on. So we had a rejection here and a rejection here. So what I do, I get my zone, my tool, because it even extends up to here. I draw in here like this. Let me change this to level of structure. Okay, so that is my zone. And then also up here we have a zone because we have a rejection here and here. So if I draw in here, I also have a zone on the monthly chart right here. Okay, I want to cover as many weeks as possible. Okay, I just want to try to cover as many weeks as possible, like this. So right now, this is the monthly range that I am looking at. Okay, so after I've done this, I go down to the weekly chart, right? As we go on the video, it's going to make sense for you guys. Okay, so you can see that for the past 1-2 weeks we have been bearish, and this week has so far opened up bearish. Okay, this is a Thursday, I'm recording this on a Thursday, and this week is also bearish. So we've had 1, 2, 3 bearish weeks so far. Okay, so what are we looking at? Are we looking at AUD card to drive lower? Remember, we are swing trading, so we want to hold our positions maybe for 1 week, like 4 to 5 days, okay, or even 2 weeks. So we are seeing that this is 1, 2 weeks, 3 weeks now of bearish price action. So should we expect that this pair AUD card will print more red or bearish candles for at least 2 more weeks for us to be able to enter and hold our position for 2 weeks? We continue to do our analysis. So here on the analysis, what I want to do now is I want to draw a trend line, okay? Because I see there is a level here, and level here. So I join those like this to see where the market could go, okay? So I still have space here. As you can see, there is still some space here. Let me just do this. You see this area here to the trend line, there is still some space for the market to move, like for, let's say, another 2 weeks, okay? So we could be having another 2 weeks of price action to the downside. Like for example, we might have price action like this. Let me just do this, just try to draw an illustration for you guys. Okay, let's try to draw an illustration for you. Okay, so we might have another week like that, and then another week maybe coming in to this area like this. Okay, so this is what we might get, right? You can put this on top if you want. Okay, let's just deal away with that. So this is what I expect on the weekly chart. I expect this market to print more 2 candles for more 2 weeks. So if I get a trade on the lower time frames, I will be able to hold them for at least 1 week, because there is still some space to reach this trend line here. Okay, right, so we've determined that. So you go down now to the daily chart to look for more refinement, right? We're looking for refinement. So on the daily chart, we can see that, yeah, there's space to reach this trend line down. There's still some space. And what we can do still here on the daily chart is we can look for levels that have been broken. Like here, we have a level of structure that extends way from this side like this. Okay, we have a support there. We have a support right here, which was broken, and now it is resistance. So that is also confirming that now we can expect the market to maybe retest this area and then push us to the downside like this. Okay, I'm looking at this happening like this, okay, to this trend line. So what else can I see? What else can I see? I don't see anything much here on the daily chart apart from that level and that retest. So now I go down to the 4-hour chart. Remember, I'm going to enter this on the 1-hour chart. So I'm looking at the 4-hour chart now. Guys, look at how the retest is happened. Okay, you see the market has gone to retest here. At the recording of this video, it has retested this area. So what am I looking at? I'm looking at the market now rolling over to this level. So at the 4-hour chart, no, at the 1-hour chart where I'm looking to enter from, I can now go ahead and place my entry. My stop loss will be at these highs here, and then I can target this level here. Okay, So this is how someone asked me, how do you hold your trades for long? This is how I hold my trades for longer. Okay, so on the 1 hour chart is where I'm entering my swing trade. Okay, so this swing trade here, if I enter it now, I can hold it up to this trend line where I'm expecting the market to reach. If it reaches this trend line, okay, if it reaches this trend line, let me show you. If it reaches this trend line like this, comes down to the trend line like this, and breaks below the trend line, I'll wait for it to retest around the trend line. Then maybe I can add another position and hold it longer to this level here down. Okay, let me zoom in so that you guys can see, right? So this level is a daily level here. Let me just change the color to maybe blue. So this blue zone right here is the daily level, and this lower one, the gray one, is the monthly level that I drew on the monthly and the weekly chart. Okay, this one. So if it breaks below this trend line, I will be able to hold it to this level here. So you can see how many pips this could be. Let me measure for you guys. From here to around here, those are 413 pips, okay, of you holding this trade. So guys, this is how you do swing trading. You can apply this technique on any market and on any pair, and you will be able to get the benefit of holding your trades longer to get better profit. Okay, so yeah, I don't want to take so much time. That is it about swing trading. If you've watched up to this time, do leave a like, subscribe, and also comment down below, guys. Thank you for watching. Until next time, watch this next video.